So TabbedOut is a free download for the iPhone and Android. The way the app works is upon first launching it, you'll be invited to enter in a payment source. This is the extent of our enrollment. The only information that we need is what's already on your card, first name, last name, credit card, valid zip code, valid expiration, and you can optionally nickname it something like MasterCard Personal or Visa Business. I already have a couple of cards saved here, so I will go and show how you open a tab. Because it's a location-based service, you can use nearby locations, and it'll find the venues that are closest by. These are actual live venues primarily in the city of Austin at the top. We have 120 across 15 states at present. Let's go to the venue called Shangri-La. In this case, I'm going to switch cards. I'm going to use my business Visa in this case. And when I'm ready, I select Open a Tab. So for the user, what would be going on now typically is walking up, talking to the bartender or the cocktail waitress and saying, "Can I please have two pints of beer?" This is, as we alluded before, the service charge is currently sponsored by Shangri-La, so there's no fee to the patron. The code represents effectively a reservation in the point-of-sale system in exchange for the payment information that was sent from my device by selecting Open Tab. Once this exists on your phone, you then show to the cocktail or the bartender the code, which they then have on their point-of-sale system a equivalent or precisely the same code that once they attach those two beers, they select your code, nothing to key in, nothing to remember. And then I'll switch to a different tab just to kind of show what it would look like once something had been actually added to the tab. So here you can see that the application allows you to split the check. You can enter in a particular amount. So on a $100 tab, if you wanted to pay $20, you could enter 20. If you wanted to pay for one of, say, 2 seats, then you can do it this way, and it'll calculate the difference, including tax. And then finally, if you wanted to select individual items, the app allows you to do that and calculates the appropriate amounts. Once you're ready to leave the venue, you simply select Pay Tab. It closes out the check from the device. The venue can set a minimum tip amount to make sure that the staff is protected against an anonymous, someone trying to anonymously stiff a good staff member. And finally, the app will show a list of nearby cab companies in case you would like to call a cab.